Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I am a genius.
You are.
Thank you very much. Vegan Mexican rice. I know, right? You're probably thinking to yourself, how is that possible? Especially when we know vegan food as being flavorless, right? Like flavorless. This is like a delicious mix of spice and tomato and smoky paprika and cumin and coriander. It's just beautiful. And this was taught to me by this amazing woman at a fasting retreat. And this is a really cool story. So she's at a fasting retreat, fasting on water for 21 days. And around day 17 or 18, she was declining. Her energy was really, just, you imagine being on water, right, for 21 days. And it was so interesting. And one of the doctors, Dr. Nicholas, and there was Tyler Tolman there, and it was an amazing retreat, said, what do you love to do? And she's like, I love cooking. I just adore food. And I'm from, the Mexican culture where everyone gets together and makes incredible dishes. And they told me that she loved that. So I brought her into the kitchen. Still water fasting, day 17, she walked into this amazing space and her entire ecosystem, her energy just expanded, and she showed me how to make this. And I'm just like, oh my God, can you imagine that? Water fasting and then all of a sudden just delivering such deliciousness. I'm salivating thinking about it. So this is from this amazing woman, Brenda, for you at home. So I got some garlic, whole garlic, chilies, doesn't matter what chili, it's up to you. Long chilies that don't have so much heat in them, short chilies that are like a pocket rocket, doesn't matter, it's up to you. Fresh tomato, the riper the better, red capsicum, cumin, coriander and smoky paprika, all ground down, diced onion, and I've got some basmati rice and some water, and that's it. Light your oven till about 180, so nice and hot. Paper on a tray. Garlic, chilies, whole, yeah, do it whole. You can chop them if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it whole. And then I've chopped up the incredible capsicum, no oil, nothing, straight into the oven. And I reckon, Dee, maybe 20 minutes?
All right.
Yep.
20 minutes it is.
This has cooled down beautifully. What you're going to do is take those little stalks off the chilies. And straight into the blender. Super simple, like you just said, really smart. Super simple, especially when you work 12 hours, you're exhausted, and you just want that hot, spicy, fragrant rice, it's epic. Blending it until it's completely smooth. Done. Set that aside, put that away, clear this away, have everything really nicely, done like that, because it just makes life so much easier. This is the next step, is getting a pan. Now I'm gonna use a wok. You can use anything you like. You can use a frying pan, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. I just happen to have this beauty here. High heat. Get this nice and hot, not smoky, just hot, because when you put those onions in there and that rice, you really want things to just dance around in the oil and not to just, kind of go, ah. You want it to pep up, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, oil. I'm going to use olive oil today because that's what Brenda used, so I'm keeping to the plan. And I have the basmati rice, the onions, the smoky paprika, the ground cumin, and the ground coriander, ready to rock and roll. So a nice splash of olive oil. This is where we might have to open the doors because the onion just goes off in the studio. Everyone's like, out, 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 onions. Okay, straight straight into here. Along with your rice, I know, right? And we're just gonna stir this probably for the next, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes so it gets nice and golden brown. And how it gets brown is those beautiful sugars from the onion comes out and it makes it go brown. It's just delicious. No salt and pepper just yet. Just allow it to do its thing for a minute. So I'm flicking it around. I mean, really, us chefs, we tend to just move shit around, you know? Like, and the reason why is because it controls the heat, you know? Making sure everything's in. All right, next is that gorgeous smoky paprika. Oh my God, it's delicious. And the meatiness of ground coriander. I know, right? It's a weird word, but trust me, when you're working with plant-based food, ground coriander just adds this meatiness to it. It's really quite cool. And I've got some ground cumin straight into here. Christina, poke your head over here and have a look at the colour. Look at that.
Oh, it's lovely.
Isn't it?
It's rich.
It's really rich. And now comes the seasoning of all things, salt and pepper. It's the building blocks of flavour. And then we're going to add this glory into here. I'm going to turn off the heat. Now I want all that specialness out of there, so I'm going to add in the water to the jug just to pick up all that loveliness. I hope I'm not splattering the camera. Sorry, Weira.
It smells so good. Yeah.
It does smell good, doesn't it? Okay, mix that around. That stove is off. And now we're going to use this. All right, here's a moment. I know, right? What is this? It looks like a little thing from space or something. Hey, it's kind of wild. So, normally a rice cooker. Pass me a rice cooker. Normally, okay? It's just what I normally would use. But this amazing company sent me this. And I've never used it before, so it's about time we used it. Rice cooker, and what's the difference between this and this? This is a 𝗜𝗘𝗚𝗘𝗚. This is a rice cooker. Rice cooker has Teflon. 𝗜𝗘𝗚𝗘𝗚 has clay. Never used this piece of equipment in my life, so I have no idea, but you have read the rest, the what do you call it, instructions, right? You know what to do. So what I would do in here, just so you know, Dee, is I'm going to do exactly in here. But I have no idea how to turn it on or what to push, so you need to come in here and show me. So lid off. The glory into this amazing clay pot. Getting every last bit of flavour. Now I'm thinking to myself, is like, what is this going to taste like? Because in Indonesia, a lot of Indonesians cook with clay, right, on the fire, and it has this really beautiful scent that comes through. So I'm kind of like hoping. Okay, lid on. Dee, how do I do this? Come on, mate. So close the door, yeah?
Did he come for the rescue?
Thank you, mate. What do I do? Push that?
Not yet, Chef.
Okay, right.
So first things first, turn this on.
Oh, wow.
All right, so over here, because it's like a normal rice, as you see, this is cooking rice, slow cook, and then you can change the hour and minute. Okay, once this is turned on, and then you click start, then it's gonna do the magic.
That's it, that's all you do?
That's it. Okay. And then just leave it.
All right, amazing. Okay, all right, we'll see you later. See you in like 30 minutes. How many minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. This is so fluffy. Oh my God, it's amazing. Dee, do you want to try this?
Yes,
oh my
absolutely.
God, the spice is incredible. It's actually got that really intense spice there. And you know what? I just want to decorate it because I can. Hey, I've made Mexican rice. You're going to love it. Oh my God, come on. Come on, and some flowers. It might be a little bit spicy for you, but wait, I'm going to get you a spoon. Stay there. No, you don't need anything. You just need a spoon.
Plate ever.
It might be a little bit spicy for you, Phil. So go on the try a little bit. Let's just try a little bit.
Anyone wants to try? Come in.
Oh my God. I've just got that little bit of spice. Whoa, that's spice. That is so good.
It's yummy. I can handle that.
Really?
Yeah.
You've come a long way, mate.
Yeah, definitely. I'll have some more. You can't take this one.
Oh shit,
The eater's here.
Man, this is so good.
this is so good.
Okay, that's
Oh,
it.
the spice.
It's spice.
Spice, look at
Oh!
I'm local, man.
See you in the next video.